crystal clear. And today we have slime that we're gonna show you. And mine is called. Mine is called cotton candy. Hers is called cherry. No, mine is called glitter cherry bomb. And we are gonna teach you how to make slime. So this is gonna be a little short for you. So we're going to. You need glue. You need a glue editor. But you need some decorations. And some decorations. And you have to keep on playing with it, and then it turns like this. You got slime.